Honestly, I'm ready to just get this over with. Like I'm already checked out. Like this is the longest part. Hey y'all, today I'm going to do my favorite foundation video. I'm gonna use my MAC Brow Styler in color Spiked. And I'm also in the middle of doing a Reels. So, in a Shorts. So the foundation I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. Halo Glow, and it's in color 6. I'm sure you've seen this before, you've seen me use it, but this is really nice. If you really want that good glow, and I've talked about this in a past video, if you really want that good glow, this right here, okay? I will link this down in the description box, all right? And I'm gonna show you a trick. If you have hyperpigmentation and your foundation is like light to medium and you want it fuller, watch this. I have hyperpigmentation right here, and right here is worse here, okay? So here's a trick, all right? Pay attention. You learn something. I'm gonna take this, tap it on the hyperpigmentation, okay? It's tapped all on the hyperpigmentation. Some people have more than others, and that's okay. It sucks, but it's okay. Get some more on my mouth. This foundation is darker. It's in number 6. And I would get it in 5, but it's too light. So I would have to mix these colors up. And it doesn't give a wide range of shades. That sucks. But it is what it is. Now, next I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 seconds, okay? You do that, you let it sit. So now this foundation has sat here for a good minute, a good long periodically time. I'm gonna go ahead now and use my damp sponge, okay? Stipple it in. Have it spread out evenly, okay? And then with the rest, you just stipple it in. And me, I don't put it all up under here, like all up on my neck when there's a lot of foundation. When it's almost out, then I add it on, okay? See, like I'm doing now. Now I'm adding it on. Same here, okay. Now you see my face is glowy. Okay, if I need a little bit more, which I am, I'm gonna take this foundation again. And I'm gonna add it here, and here, and a little bit. So it might look like I'm using a whole lot, but I'm really not. Use my Revlon Color Stay Skin Awakening Caffeine plus Vitamin C 24 Hours 5-in-1 Concealer. Why is the name so long? Have a little more highlight, so I'm going to add just a little bit. This is the ColourPop concealer in color medium 85 neutral. Honestly, I'm ready to just get this over with. Like I'm already checked out. Like this is the longest part of doing the concealer and stuff. This is the longest part of doing makeup. The good thing about this is that my foundation is dark. I can use this as like a low-key contour. So, hold on. Next, I'm gonna set this powder. I'm gonna powder this. Child, I am in my full era by accident, okay? This is by accident. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. again, and this time I'm going to use it as my contour, okay? This is my first time ever doing this, so first things for everything, and it needs it, so boom. Okay. Cha. Ooh. Some powder for under here, because you see it's a little bit shiny. I like for it to have a glow, but like on my cheeks. You see, like there. Not under my eyes, because then I'll start to look like a greasy mess. All right, so that's it. This is the look, and this really did help me. Like this e.l.f. Halo Glow, this really did help. Like it added the right amount of bronzer. Like, I don't know, do I want to start using this as a bronzer? Because it really helped. Hey, but at least my concealer is full and you don't see a rim around my freaking eye. But yeah, I will link this down in the description box. This really, ooh, the bee's knees. Look, thank you so much for watching my video. And until you see me again in my next video, and you will, because I'm going to be posting more. Bye. Don't forget to watch the end, because I am going to be giving you looks. All right, so stay tuned.